Hello friends, welcome to Glorious Nature. Today I am going to share about Chemist law, otherwise we can call Lawson-Cypress plan. So before that, advance Merry Christmas for my all friends. So this is the Christmas time. We are waiting for Christmas to celebrate with cream and tree. So we already hang star in our home. So now I'm going to decorate my Christmas tree. Okay. So I have three Christmas tree. One big and one medium. Then one small Christmas tree. Okay. So it is the Chemist law. Otherwise we can call Lawson-Cypress plant. Okay. So I think very difficult to pronounce this plant. So I using Christmas tree. So very beautiful plant. This Christmas we can arrange this tree. Then we can put balls and balloon. I think not this small tree. We can use this big tree. Okay. So I'm going to celebrate with this Christmas tree for this Christmas. So this plant is very good for indoor. So if we are keeping indoor, we have to maintain our room temperature within 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. So more than 30 degrees not good for this plant. Then if we are providing indirect light for this plant, it will grow fastly. Then but not very fastly because this plant is very slow growth plant. So compared to if we are keeping in low light area, so compare that if we are keeping in any window side or we are providing indirect light, we can see the difference from that growth. And then I think I tried many Christmas tree for my indoor, but I failure in all type Christmas tree pattern. So I'm success and I can suggest you this plant is very good. It will survive in your indoor. Then outdoor also you can keeping in outdoor, but when the temperature within that 28 degrees Celsius, we can keeping in outdoor. Then what about soil? So soil is 70% of multi-purpose compost. Then 20% pet moss, then 10% of perlite. This is the mixer when I am reporting this Christmas tree. Then watering. This plant like moist soil, okay, but not soggy, okay, but not much wet. So we have to maintain our soil like moist, okay. So when the soil is partially dry, then we can apply water. So do not wait for completely dry. When the partially we can feel that dry, we can apply water. Then regarding light also I discussed. Then propagation. Propagation is the grafting method as well as stem hard wood cuttings. Okay, that means we are selecting partially mature stem. Okay, so partially mature stem is flexible, then we can bend and break. Okay, so that stem we can use for propagate and grafting method. This is the propagation. Then regarding soil also I already discussed. Then water also discussed. I didn't see till now any problem for this plant. Maybe it become dry because of we are not maintain our soil like moist. Okay, so this is the care regarding our Christmas tree or Chemist law. Okay, so we can enjoy and we can celebrate our Christmas with this Christmas tree. So bye bye and wish you happy Christmas for my all friends.